thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 7:15 p.m. for southeastern Livingston, south central Crittenden, western Caldwell, and northern Lyon counties. At 6:40 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northwest of Eddyville, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: golf ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar indicated threat. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roof, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Princeton, Eddyville, Cresswell, Farmersville, Catawba, Fredonia, and Dykersburg. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 7:15 p.m. for the following counties: in Kentucky, Caldwell, Crittenden, Livingston, and Lyon. A severe thunderstorm